Gononu.
Hi kids, today we'll play with color light bulbs. Let's count the light bulbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Now let's say the colors of the buttons. Yellow, red, green, blue, pink. Excellent. To power on the light bulbs we need 5 batteries. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wonderful. For the remote we need 2 batteries. 1, 2. Great. Now let's press the yellow button to see if one of the light bulb turns on yellow. Well done. The yellow light bulb is now on. Let's try the red button. Excellent. We have turned on a beautiful red light bulb. Let's continue with the green button. Great. We switched on the third light bulb, which is a green one. We have 2 more. Let's switch on the blue light bulb by pressing the blue button. Wonderful. Now we have turned on the 4th light bulb. The last one is the pink light bulb, which can be switched on by the pink button. Let's do it. Well done. At this time, we have turned on all the light bulbs and they look pretty nice.